If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright folks, so here we are at Passion Food. This is my first time at this ride. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, all these cars. Now the ride is terrible, but we'll see how it goes. We'll just keep going.
There will be administering hand sanitizer for each guest prior to boarding, as well as hand sanitizer will also be available at the exit of this attraction. As a reminder, all guests are required to wear a face mask.
See everybody relaxing and taking in all the pre-party atmosphere in the garage. Check out that turbo tow truck. You know, there's only 2 of them in the world.
As well as providing specific seating assignments for each travel party. Hand sanitizer will also be available at the exit.
Are y'all having a good time? Enjoying all the fast cars and the great music? For the last race on its way to the finish line. My man Don Toretto wants all of you over there for the after party at Sullivan's Garage. And I got some fine party buses lined up and on their way to take y'all in style. Alright? The party's gonna be one for the history books. So head on over to the break room and I'll let y'all know when the rides arrive.
Alright. How's it going, guys? Got a line for you right here, front and center. Alright, you guys are all in one group. Alright, for the next group, I got a line right here.
I don't know why anybody challenges him.
I regret trying.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
He said that about
And
me?
the faces you see on these walls are our family.
It's mainly just his
When I'm in
face.
this room, I feel like we're all together.
Wait, I've been here for 4 years. Where's my photo?
Welcome to our family.
I'm not on the wall, though. Okay, another call. Tej, you're on the monitor with Mia.
Alright. What's up,
Both
Mia?
of you have
Hey,
photos.
Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
Nice.
All right, I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia. I love you.
Alright, Pat.
Okay.
Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
You got it, boss. Peace.
Peace.
Alright, guys, in just a second, the doors are going to open up to the war room. You're going to see Jamie. It's their first day without Tej, so everyone be nice. Or just stare awkwardly because I'm on break. What do I care? You guys have fun.
Oh, people. Cool. Yeah.
Randomly wandered into a warehouse.
Wow, that's impressive. That's the kind of thing I would do when I wasn't paying attention. Hi, how you guys doing today?
Hey.
Cool. Ready to go? Ooh, you're getting a call from Dom.
I got this, Jamie.
Or
Dom, what up?
Nope. Okay.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI's about to raid your location.
Oh, come on.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
So
It
annoying.
gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Wait, which door?
Shaw,
9.
that cockroach we beat down in
Isn't
Spain?
it excessive?
What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses.
Yeah, I was about to, but then
You
your
need
mama
to stop
interrupted.
bugging out right now.
Then you interrupted me.
And get that turbo truck ready.
This is a great talk.
I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
Yeah, I'm on it.
I'm on it.
Never mind.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word.
Okay, tell all your friends.
But keep it in our family.
That are in this
And keep it
room.
quiet.
What friends? Oh, it's the hot one.
It's Hobbs.
Yep,
Hobbs, my man.
that's what I said.
What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. We need to discuss how you're gonna get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Wait, like all of them? That's a lot.
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody
1, 2,
squared
3,
away,
4,
and
5,
we'll talk
6, 7,
offline.
a lot.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones.
Why?
We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
So you're calling us on a phone.
Okay, Jamie,
Yeah?
you heard the man.
I think we all did.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Like 2021.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
And he's gone. All right, guys, we're gonna head through those doors and be a diversion. Yay!
Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone can give us away. And remember, got a problem? Deal with it together.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang. No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried! Don't think you're getting away! Find the car!
Way to go, Levy. Don't let it up the missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you. Probably don't shoot head from the grid. Under construction. Everybody hold on. Hit the nitrous. Ride or die.
Whoever you are, you're lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right, let's forget about all that mess. The party is here, the party is now. Time to act a fool.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.